Hello and welcome to a short demonstration of how to create GIFs in Python using Matplotlib. So in a previous video, we looked at a dataset of the life expectancy in Canada ranging from 1981 all the way to 2019. And we also created some interesting, colorful surface plots of this data in order to visualize the life expectancy like so. So another thing we might want to show is how the life expectancy changes over time. So in order to do that, we have to create some kind of animation of how it develops. To do that, we need these tools here from the Matplotlib library, and I'm going to show you how to actually implement them and create like a nice animated GIF. So first we'll specify a certain set of years here as strings, and then we're going to initialize the plot by first creating the plot right here, and then creating some empty lists for different plotting values, and also a set of, let's say, call them points arrays for filling out these values here. Then we define an initialization function, which simply sets the x scale and y scale of the plot we want to create in the end. And then we specify an update function, which takes the current age as an input and then fills out these empty lists from before, and also specifies the plotting points we're interested in. Then we can fill out like legend and title and labels and such. So now comes the interesting part. We're actually going to do the animation. So we use this func animation function here. We specify the figure we're interested in using. We specify the update function, which is the one we created up here. Then we specify the t values, that'll be the ages that we're interested in. And then the initialization function is also specified up here. Then we simply run this, that creates the animation. And then finally we use this pillow writer function here in order to actually turn it into a GIF. So if you run all of this, it's going to take a while for it to plot all the points, and you won't see it right here because actually the result gets saved in the output folder right over here in the sidebar. So it should be finishing right now. We should get a GIF here called life expectancy, so we can open like so. Yeah, so you can see that now we have the different years of different colors, and then we can see that as time progresses, as you get older and older, your life expectancy gradually drops. And of course, there's different parameters you can play around with here. You can update the frame rate and whatnot. But I hope this quick demonstration is useful and interesting. You can check out the source code in the description, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.